Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply swap your Tron to BNB in Trust Wallet. It's an easy process which can be achieved once you select the BNB you wish to be converted. In our case, it's going to be the Smart Chain BNB. So once you've selected the Smart Chain BNB, click on the More and select the Swap option. Now click on Swap BNB, and once you've done this, where we have the Trust Wallet, select the Trust Wallet and simply search for TRX. Now by doing this, simply scroll till you find the Tron and select the BEP20 Tron. Now switch their places and simply put in the amount of Tron you wish to convert to your BNB. So let's say you've got 22 Tron. You can get yourself a good amount of the BNB by simply approving the Tron and then simply converting your BEP20 Tron into BNB, since they are on the same Binance Smart Chain network. Now, if you're looking to convert your main network, that's the Tron itself, the TRC20 Tron, this Tron here, simply click on this Tron and click on Send. You're taken to a menu where you fill in your details. And by opening up your Binance, which is a centralized exchange, and you're going to need an account on this centralized exchange. But by using our link in the description of this video, you stand a chance to gain a couple of rewards, like 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify your account. So guys, once you're logged in, click on the deposit option and search for TRX. Select the Tron, select the TRC20 network, copy this address, open up your Trust Wallet, paste, click on Max, click on Continue, and proceed to send your available Tron over there. Now, once you've sent your Tron, simply reload. And once you're done reloading, head over to the wallet section at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, the wallet section is a part of the Binance where you can have a look at all your cryptocurrencies, from the overview to spot and funding wallets. These are various wallets that hold your crypto. So simply scroll from the overview to the spot or funding, depending on where your crypto is stored, and there you can find the Tron. Now head back home, select the convert option, and where we have 1 inch, put in TRX and select BNB. Once you've done this, click on the spot wallet option, select the funding wallet, click on Max, and click on preview conversion. Click on convert. And by doing this, we've successfully converted our Tron to BNB. Head over to the wallet section, reload here, select this BNB, click on the withdrawal option, send via a crypto network, and minimize, open up Trust Wallet. And once Trust Wallet is opened up, select the BNB, select the receive, copy the address, open up Binance, and paste the address there, and simply put in the amount you wish to send, which is the max, and click on withdrawal. So guys, and that's how we can go about any of this. Do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.